All right, when you're listening to the heart, you're listening for a regular rhythm and rate, and it's also valve function. So you're listening for the lub-dub sound. The lub sound is S1, and it's the tricuspid and bicuspid valves, and the dub sound is S2, and that's the semilunar valves. So we have 5 anatomical sites we're listening to: the aortic valve, pulmonary, Erb's point, tricuspid, and then the bicuspid valve. The first position that you listen to is having the patient sitting up. Have them remove your clothes so you can't hear any of the clothes rustling or anything. And you listen with the diaphragm first, and then you listen with the belt. So is it all right if I touch your chest with this?
Yes.
All right, so you listen here. Have the patient breathe regularly. Then come across the clavicle, down to Erb's point, tricuspid, and then the mitral valve.